When Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego remained faithful to their God and refused the word of the king got wild and threw them in the burning fiery furnace. But to his surprise, he saw 4 men set loose, walking freely in the fiery furnace. And he said, the 4th man looks like the Son of God. When you remain faithful, when you remain true, when you exercise integrity, heavens will be emptied. God himself will come down to rescue you, to protect you, to shield you, and to pull you out of all mess. Remain true and faithful and have integrity at all costs.